a short video recording of Beginners Beginners Solo Salsa routine number 8. So this was taught on week 2 of our 8-week summer salsa school in 2020. This was the beginners level 3 and level 4 combined 8-week course. We were studying both levels across the 8 weeks, and this was on week 2, and it was the 9th of July 2020, if you're looking for it in the playlist, if you're looking for the full class as opposed to this summary. Here we go, routine number 8. This one has 7 bars. Bar number 1, a mambo with a little side slide on 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to do a little toe tap, 1, lift on 2, step out on 3. Okay? Now, a little cross behind for a cumbia, but with a flick at the end. 5, 6, 7, flick. Okay? Bar number 3, a left side basic with a little bit of pressure on the hip and then close. 1, 2, 3. A staggered right lunge. 5, 6, 7. This routine was not so much about complicated choreography, but it was more about introducing some body movement, some arm movement, and using our core. Okay, so that step again, push out, extend the arms, hip comes in, and then bomb, bomb, bomb. A little bit of drama, ending a lunge. Okay, the next part was from there a Cuban walk around. So I went bomb, bomb, out, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Of course, with the music, that was much faster. 2 core walks forwards. This is bar number 5 now. Cuban walk around there was bar number 4. Bar number 5, 1, 3, 2 core walks. Susie Q left foot. 5, 6, 7. Swing tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out and cross. Right turn to finish. Okay, just a short 7-bar routine. Let me dance the whole thing. I will just call the numbers out. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3 and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3 and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. That was the short summary recap for solo routine number 8 on our beginners. I'll see you in the next video.